Kiroko kia umuthi niguo minister uyu wa tene Simeon Nyachae ahurukire ari thibitari-ini wa Nairobi Hospital kuria akoretwo akiamukira urigiti. Makianira gikuo giake andu a family yake ni maugire ni morwo ni mundu wa bata kuna ni arekianite na njira nene kwa ihinda ria miaka miingi utungata-ini wa muingi. Muri wa mutigairi Nyachae noria watungatire kamiti-ini ya ukinyaniria wa gatiba CIC nianireire ithe arari murwaru kwa ihinda iraya.
Our father, that is Honorable Simeon Nyachae, has about an hour and a half ago rested here in Nairobi Hospital after a fairly long illness.
Utungata wake ta PC ni wiro mogotuma turi aririkanagwo ni muingi na njira nene udumwe no utungata wake ta minister wa urimi na iganda hindi utongoria wa president wa keri Daniel Moi, minister wa miaka na minister wa kigina thirikari-ini ya Mwai Kibaki.
We thank God for the wonderful life that he gave him, the opportunity he gave all of us to work with him, and for him to be our father and our leader and our mentor.
It's a very sad day to have lost a man who really set the path for us and set a very high bar for all of us in the public service on what it is to serve your country. So a sad day indeed.
Mwaka wa girigire na igire ni ahitaitanire giturwa kia president na tigiti wa Ford People ona gutuika Mwai Kibaki ni wayukirio hotani. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni umwe wa aria matumire ndumiriri ya macakaya akiuga bururi ni worwo ni mundu wa bata wateithirire na njira nene waki-ini wa bururi.
Other than also to appreciate the fact that a few minutes ago I spoke to His Excellency the President, who conveyed his condolences to us as a family, and we appreciate that.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto akimushakaya ta mundu muheani urari na werutire munene wira-ini wake guku akiuga bururi wothe ni worwo ni mundu wa bata. Nake mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga akiuga ruriri rwa Kisii ni ruorwo ni mutongoria njamba na wanatungata ikiro-ini ngurani cia utongoria. Thutha wa ngaiha cia githurano kia mwaka wa 2007-2008, Nyachae ni agwetirwo riboti-ini ya waki tomwe wa aria mateithiririe gubanga ngui ici undu uria acokire guteaniria na njira nene. Nyachae ahurukire ari na ukuru wa miaka 88 na kiumia kihituku ni kwari na muhuhu wa kuhuruka gwake ndeto ria yateanirio na njira nene ni andu a family yake. Ngiribotera Kameme TV retwara kwa neno ngari wa Kamau.